guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Shaquita. If you're new, welcome, and feel free to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you will be the first to know when I upload a video. And now that we got that out of the way, let's get started with the details. So right now I'm just outlining the bottom part of my brow using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shades Fawn and Expresso, and I am using a flat concealer brush by Morphe to do so. I find that using this flat brush makes it a whole lot easier to get the perfect outline of my brows than using a rounded concealer brush. Yeah, so that's definitely noted. And after I apply the LA Girl Pro Concealer, I'm gonna buff that out. And then on the lids, I'll apply my Louise Rumour 5 base. That way, it'll help for the shades to be nice and vibrant. With this video, I am not doing too much, just a nice classy look, nothing too much. I like to call it my 3-step eyeshadow look. Basically, I'm using 3 shadows and 3 shadows only and 1 brush to apply these 3 shades. So this look is definitely inexpensive and easy to do. And who can complain about that, right? And I'll make sure, as usual, all products will be listed in the description box below. So if I don't mention them, check that out. So I'm starting off with that orange shade, the lighter orange shade, to apply in the crease. And then on the outer corners, I'm going to use a brown shade in that palette. And then for the actual lid, I'm going to use a cream white shade. And those are the only 3 shadows that I will be using for this video. Then I'll use another Wet n Wild shadow palette, and then I'll be applying this shimmery green shade to the bottom lid. And then I'm gonna apply my Inglot gel liner. I believe it's in the shade 77, just to give it a nice classic back in the day look. This is definitely a nice, basically date night look, whatever look you want it to be. You're going somewhere, you're going to a dinner, you're going to a family gathering, whatever. It's a nice classy look with a red lip. Yeah.